February 13th, and today with us we have the Bass Pro edition of Mystery Tackle Box. Let's get right up into this box, open it up and see what we got for this month. Eastern PA Fishing. Let's give her a slice and see what's inside. Digging right in, we have our bait card. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 goodies inside this month's box. First up, for $9.99, we have the Vicara from Lucky John. I always have a problem pronouncing these Lucky John lures because they're a Japanese company. Wow, that's pretty dope. Doesn't really say much about it on the back. It doesn't say what color it is, or maybe it does, it's just in Japanese. So this is just a sinking crankbait, a little lipless crankbait. Just cast it out there, let it get down to any depth that you please, and then start retrieving it. Nice steady retrieve. This time of year you want to use a very slow retrieve to get this fish stirred up. But this is a really good one. I really like the colors on this. It has a nice flash. I can't read Japanese. If you can read Japanese, let me know in the comments below what any of this stuff says. I know I'm probably showing it pretty fast, but there you have it, the Vicara from Lucky John for $9.99. Moving right along. Next up, from Venom, we have the Mad Tom for $4.99. Just a nice little Ned rig with a creature bait. Actually open these up, show you guys how you hook them up. There you have it, that's how you hook it up. Just right through the head, feed it down almost all the way. You can break these little appendages apart for a little more added action in the water. Just a weird little crawl type deal. The Mad Tom, little Ned rig system. Real cool little bait. Don't forget, you're gonna have to pop out the extra paint inside the little eyelet there, so you can actually hook this on in the Mad Tom. You get 3 of these in one jig head. You can always buy more jig heads if you lose them. But just a sweet little Ned rig system. Another dope hookup. Next up, for $5.99, we have the Exo Stick from Biospawn. Kicking it old school. I love these baits. I got these once before in a mystery tackle box, and they are very long gone. I have a hard time finding these around here. I don't know what it is. This is a little Fider Shad. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that color right. Pretty translucent. A couple little black flecks in there. Not much to them. But these actually have, they don't really say it on the back anymore, but these just cause a ton of vibration in the water. These great on a wacky rig, great on a Texas rig. However you can really fish them. I mean, you can even cut it down and put it on the Ned rig system. This is an 8 count, so this is not a sample packet, people. This is the real deal. Mystery Tackle Box coming through once again. Next up, from Carl's Stash, Mystery Tackle Box, we have the Power Spinners. Okay, these are dope. These you just tie into your soft plastics, like you have a little fluke or something, and it can give it a little top spin or an underspin. It comes with a Colorado and a Willow. For a second I thought they were just one. But yeah, it comes with both styles. Really nice. Mystery Tackle Box coming through once again with their own baits, making this stuff legit. Those were $2.50, by the way. I don't know if I said that. Next up, we have the Stickies Wacky Dropshot Hook for $3.50. Bust these guys out. 5 count, sweet little drop shot hooks. Super sharp. Make sure when you hook into the fish they aren't going to come off. Next up, from Berkeley for $7.99, we have the Skinny Cutter. Oh wow, yeah, I like this guy. This is perfect for this time of year. Chameleon Vapor. What? Yeah, Chameleon Vapor is the color. It's a sweet little suspending jerkbait. It goes down to 3 to 6 feet. You probably get it down more if you use some good fluorocarbon. Has a little chartreuse underside there with a just kind of, I don't know what you would consider that, little bronze top. I don't know, it's a real sweet bait. Pretty big, but if you're in a bigger body of water where there's bigger fish, this is definitely something that you can throw down there. Definitely going to be throwing this around at the quarry. Maybe some other spots with some bigger bass. That's a good one. Moving right along. 7th bait in the box. We have Stan Sloan Zorro Baits Swim Jig for $4.99. Stan Sloan Zorro's Bait Company little swim jig. Pretty sweet colors. It does not say what colors. No, it does not. It doesn't say what color this is. Sweet little swim jig. I wish there was actually something to throw this on in the box. You know what you could probably do? If you don't have another soft plastic like a small fluke or anything, you could actually probably hook up one of these little Mad Toms on here. Rip apart the appendage for added action. That's actually not a bad deal. You'd more likely put like a Kitech or a soft swim bait on here, you know. But this little Mad Tom actually looks like it would do the job. Has a small profile, something the bass won't be like, you know, too afraid of this time of year. It won't spook them. I might actually try this and see if it works. Fish the Mad Tom on the Stan Sloan Zorro bait swim jig. Last up in the box, if I can find it, PJs Finesse bait football jig for $3.95. Comes with a Gamakatsu hook and it's hand tied. Oh look, it has these little eyes on here, little googly eyes. Oh, that's sweet. This is a dope little jig, a little PB&J colored jig. You know, something you can just cast out there and slowly drag along the bottom. Get those more lethargic bass to bite. You know, this time of year, a lot of times the fish won't want something that's moving too fast, you know, but this is something you can just cast out there, get it all the way to the bottom, and just slowly drag it. And I mean, if you don't like those googly eyes, I actually think they're kind of cool. It'd be funny to catch something on this and have the googly eyes hanging out of the bass's mouth. But if you don't like the googly eyes, I'm sure you could just knock those off with like a knife or something. The paint's going to eventually come off from dragging it over rocks and stuff anyway, so there you have it. But wait, we can't forget this month's sweet sticker. It is the Biospawn. I guess that's the Biospawn. Damn. So there was a few things in this box that stood out to me, and the first one is definitely the Vicara or Bicara or whatever it is from Lucky John. This is a really dope little lipless crankbait. It's sinking, you know, you can definitely get it down to anywhere you need it to be. Has really sharp little hooks on it. You don't have to worry about, you know, losing the fish once you hook into them. The color is amazing, and I don't know, man, this is just really sweet little bait. $9.99, Lucky Craft lures. The Japanese really put a lot of work into making these just excellent baits. One of the other things that stood out to me has got to be these Biospawn Exo Stick Pros. I just love these things. They're hard to find around here. Only certain sporting goods stores carry them. These just work. They're real fun to throw. You can fish them a ton of different ways. Wacky rig, Texas rig, Nico rig, whatever. It doesn't really matter. They're just a very versatile bait. Something that's definitely going to get eaten and, you know, definitely going to catch a lot of bass. All in all, like, everything we really got here today is just excellent for fishing this time of year. Really sweet box, 8 baits, you know, definitely getting your money's worth when it comes down to only spending $25 and you get all this stuff. This box was worth in total close to $50, so that's almost double of what you're paying. There you have it, everybody. This month's Mystery Tackle Box Bass Pro Edition. If you don't know what Mystery Tackle Box is, log on to mysterytacklebox.com to learn more. $15 to $25, new baits shipped to your door every month. Eastern PA Fishing here. This has been another Mystery Tackle Box unboxing. Don't forget to like this video, throw some comments down below. Let me know what you thought of this box. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe down below. Eastern PA Fishing here, coming at you. You know what it is by now.